you know how the Dragon Boat Festival came about? Let me tell you more about the legend. A long, long time ago, there was a great poet named Chu Yuan. He was born into a ruling family in Kingdom Chu. Chu Yuan became the #1 counselor and minister of the kingdom. During the warring states, Chu Yuan warned King Chu about the threats from Kingdom Jin. However, King Chu ignored Chu Yuan and some of the officials were jealous. They took the opportunity to dismiss and exile Chu Yuan. Chu Yuan helplessly watched his motherland decline in the hands of corrupted statesmen. Soon enough, Kingdom Chu was defeated by Kingdom Jin. King Chu was caught and sent into the dungeon by King Jin. 3 years later, King Chu passed away in the kingdom of Jin. Upon hearing Kingdom Chu's defeat and King Chu's death, Chu Yuan was driven to great despair. On the 5th day of the 5th month, he committed suicide in the Lo River. The locals rushed out to the river in boats to find Chu Yuan's body. They threw stuffed rice in bamboo stems and eggs into the river to prevent the dragon in the river and other fishes from eating Chu Yuan's body. A Chinese doctor poured realgar wine into the river to poison the dragon. Eventually, a drugged dragon floated on the surface of the river. Remains of Chu Yuan's clothes could be seen on the dragon. The locals eventually captured and killed the dragon. Ever since, a tradition is formed. Locals will raise their boats, eat rice dumplings, and drink realgar wine on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month in commemoration of the great poet Chu Yuan.